Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Assume. Today we are going to talk about the best book for class 10 CBSE students for each subject. These books will help you to understand the concept better and excel in your board exam. For mathematics, the following books are highly recommended. First, NCERT Mathematics Textbook. This is the primary book that covers all the topics as per the CBSE syllabus. And second, R.D. Sharma Mathematics. Known for its detailed explanation and variety of problems, this book is excellent for practice. And third, R.S. Aggarwal Mathematics. This book is great for additional practice and understanding the different type of questions. For science, here are the top books. First, NCERT Science Textbook. This is the official book that covers all the topics. And second, Lakhmir, Singh and Manjit Kaur Science. These books are known for their clear explanation and variety of questions. And third, S. Chand Science, a good book for understanding the concept and additional practice. For social science, these books are very helpful. First, NCERT Social Science Textbook. This book is essential as it follows the CBSE curriculum strictly. And second, Together with Social Science. This book provides additional questions and detailed explanation which are very helpful for exam preparation. And third, Gem Idea Social Science, known for its practice questions and sample papers. This book is great for revision. For English, consider these books. First, NCERT English Textbook. This is the primary book and should be your main focus. And second, BBC Compacta English. This book provides comprehensive practice for grammar and writing sections. And third, Golden English, known for its sample papers and additional practice material. It's great for board exam preparation. For Hindi, these books are recommended. First, NCERT Hindi Textbook. This is the primary book that covers the entire syllabus. And second, Sparsh, supplementary book by NCERT which helps in better understanding of literature. And third, Vyakaran Darshika, a great book for Hindi grammar practice. These are the best books that will help you excel in your class 10 CBSE exam. Make sure to get these books and start your preparation early. And if you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to comment below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Let's Assume for more educational content.